What is my take on whether unit positioning, i.e. the floor, the view, the layout, has on potential long-term returns? The less favorable units, maybe lower floors, maybe internal road views, or maybe a townhouse or villa backing a road, are deemed to be less desirable. However, I think if there is the appropriate price discount compared to a higher floor or something back to back or backing a park, then that should be taken into account, because you are still going to see the asset uplift in the long-term appreciation of that community, of that tower, of that project. And time again, when I was in the secondary market, I have sold multiple properties backing main roads. There is a market for these properties. There is a market for low floor apartments as well, because there are end users that actually look for that. I've sold road backing properties to end users that say they like being on the road because they don't want to feel like they're in the middle of nowhere. I've sold low floor apartments to end users as well that want to feel like they're close to the floor because they're scared of heights, or they want to feel like they're on the boulevard as well. This is genuine feedback from end users in the market. And again, it has to be coupled with the fact that the price has to make sense, because in the long term, what we do see in terms of what does favor investors is high floor, premium views, something backing a park or backing a lake as well. That is generally seen as more desirable in the market, but we shouldn't rule out something that might be less desirable to you, because there could be a market for it in the future.